see actual content like this, I didn't screen record the whole video. This is just snippets of that video. If you guys want to see the whole video, there's things like this LTZ on there. There's tons of car content. Unlike Barry, me and my father actually build cars, actually do work on cars. We don't just stand around and talk and go, that's a pretty cab. That has awesome rims. That's a rust-free fucking hood. Oh my God, our Miller welder is fucking badass. That's a sob, but besides the point. Broke bitches here. Our 660 Raptor is just 1,000 horsepower. Has twin turbos. It's got nitrous. It's got a 340 fucking 318 underneath of it. 101. No, we don't. If you guys want to see this content, should check out the main channel, Portman Speed Shop. Hey Barry, got your big block in your car yet? Got in my muscle truck.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, what we made to fall. No, I'm not lonely when soloing, so
Alright, you guys, she's in. Looks pretty good. Seems to run pretty good.
Needs shocks.
These cars weren't made for big people, as you can see. It's like literally hardly any room.
It needs its holes fixed and the floor and sound deadening put in because it's louder being in here than a black car, but the black car had carpet in it and had door panels on it. So I mean you hear the road.
And you can smell the carbon monoxide. This is how you straddle a ditch, by the way. Crotch exposed to the splits.